The Brazilian financial landscape has changed dramatically, and among the standout players leading this transformation is Neon Bank, a fully digital bank redefining how people manage money. Opening a Neon Bank account in Brazil offers a smooth, modern experience built around convenience, transparency, and innovation. From account creation to daily transactions, everything is designed for simplicity and efficiency, giving users total control from their smartphones without ever stepping into a physical branch. Neon Bank's onboarding process is fast and intuitive. Within minutes, anyone with valid Brazilian identification can open an account using the Neon app. The interface is clean, responsive, and fully integrated with Brazil's digital payment systems like Pix, allowing instant money transfers anytime, anywhere. Once the account is verified, users gain access to a full suite of services, including a free debit card, digital savings options, and personal finance tools that make budgeting easier than ever. Unlike traditional banks that often charge hidden fees, Neon focuses on transparency. There are no monthly maintenance fees, and most services, such as transfers, bill payments, and card issuance, are free. The app provides real-time notifications for every transaction, ensuring complete visibility over spending and income. For those seeking financial flexibility, Neon also offers credit cards with competitive rates and cashback rewards, depending on user eligibility and credit profile. Security is a major strength of Neon Bank. The platform employs advanced data encryption and multi-factor authentication, keeping every user's financial information safe. Integration with Pix and Boleto payments also ensures fast and secure transactions, whether for shopping online, paying bills, or receiving salaries. In addition, Neon provides detailed spending analytics, helping users understand where their money goes and how to optimize savings. Another highlight is the Neon Invest feature, which allows customers to start investing directly from their app with low minimum amounts. This integration bridges banking and investment, making financial growth accessible to everyone, students, professionals, and entrepreneurs alike. For travelers and online shoppers, Neon's Visa-backed debit and credit cards make international transactions effortless, with competitive exchange rates and global acceptance. Customer support is available through in-app chat, offering prompt and efficient assistance in Portuguese, making problem-solving fast and stress-free. In a country where financial inclusion and digital transformation are growing rapidly, Neon Bank stands out as one of the best digital banking options in Brazil. It combines the reliability of traditional banking with the agility of fintech innovation, all while remaining user-centered and cost-effective. Whether you're managing daily expenses, saving for the future, or exploring investment opportunities, a Neon Bank account provides all the tools to take control of your financial life confidently and efficiently.